What parameters do you look for when selecting a restaurant? Like parameters meaning distance or ambience or people who go with or the cuisine that is being served or any, it could be anything. So what are the parameters?
The first thing that I see, I think, would be the food, the quality of food. Since I'm a die-hard non-vegetarian, I would see the quality of fish, the kinds of fish they offer, how stale or how fresh the chicken is, and whether it's frozen chicken, whether it's fresh chicken. I generally inquire and ask before I sit for a meal there. So, and this would be my first parameter. Second would be the ambience there, the crowd that comes in, as in if the age group is say between 18 to 40, or if it's between, you know, the normal the crowd that comes there. And then the third would be the cuisine that I prefer. Say if I want to go for a Chinese place specifically for Chinese food, then I would go. So that's it. I think distance doesn't matter at all to me. I would go anywhere and everywhere. What about you guys?
Since we have time constraint here, distance is an important factor to me. We don't get enough free time. So distance is an important parameter, but I mean the quality of food also has to be very nice. It should suit my taste.
So if you like a restaurant once, you don't mind going back there again? You don't
No, I don't mind. I frequently will visit those restaurants.
If there is no time constraint, I don't bother like how much distance it is. I can go anywhere like to eat. And also that I'm not like too keen on ambience. Ambience doesn't bother me. If it is good, then it's nice. If it is not good, then also it's okay. The only thing is that food should be good. And I would like to try different cuisines like Italian, tandoori, I like very much.
And the company that comes out will be best. The company, the people who you go out with.
Yeah, that is like more. Usually, I'll go with my friends only. So rarely I go with my parents or my family. So usually it's friends.
Yeah.
For me, it actually depends totally on the taste of the food. I want my food to be tasty. And I prefer ambience as well. The place that I go to should be actually having a good ambience, you know, kind of with music or something, so that you can have a good conversation with your friends or whoever you are going out with.
Correct.
And distance also doesn't matter when, you know, you are wondering about the taste of the food. So I would say that I would give first importance to the taste of food.
Yeah, I think food obviously matters. Food is like the primary objective of going out to eat. Apart from that, I think the atmosphere, the place itself, the vibe that it gives out, so that matters as well. Distance only matters because right now I'm in a postgraduate degree, so I have certain time constraints, so I have to stick to that. Apart from that, the money matters. If you actually are providing not a good enough service, then I would not pay you a lot of money for that kind of place. Apart from that, I guess family, friends, these are the people I go out with, and that's it.
The primary thing which matters for me is like quality of food. Second comes ambience. Ambience matters a lot. If I'm going with friends, then obviously it's not the formal lunch or dinner. It's mostly snacks, and with family it will be formal. Then third comes distance. Yeah, when I was in my hometown, distance was not a matter of concern, but now at Cafe, yes, distance matters a lot. So what is the distance?